If you're seeing a chess.com error 520, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right away to get back into the game. Error 520 is usually a Cloudflare issue, which means chess.com may be sending an unexpected response, or your browser, cookies, or network could be causing a conflict. The good news is, most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, let's jump in. First, let's understand what error 520 actually means. This error is often triggered when the chess.com server gives Cloudflare an empty or unusual response. But sometimes the problem is on your end, especially if your browser has old site data saved or your network connection is being blocked. So we'll go through the most common fixes one by one, starting with clearing the site cookies. To do that, open your browser and go into Settings. From there, look for Cookies and Site Data. Once you're in that section, click Manage On-Device Site Data. This helps remove any broken or outdated stored data that may be interfering with chess.com loading properly. After clearing the site data, go back and try opening chess.com again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is a bypass method using a private or incognito window. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open a private browsing window. Then, log into chess.com again and see if the site loads normally. This works because a private window starts fresh without using your saved cookies, extensions, or cached site data, so it helps you test whether the issue is caused by your browser. If that does not work, try toggling your VPN off and on. Sometimes a VPN can route your traffic through an IP address that chess.com or Cloudflare doesn't like, which can trigger access problems. Turn the VPN off first and test the website. If it still doesn't work, turn it back on and try connecting through a different server or location. A simple VPN change can often get around temporary connection issues. Another very effective workaround is switching to the mobile app and using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. If you're on a phone, open the chess.com app and test it while connected through mobile data. This can help if your home network, DNS settings, or router are causing the issue. If the app loads correctly on mobile data, that's a strong sign the problem is with your internet connection rather than chess.com itself. If you're still unable to access the site after trying these steps, you can also wait a little while and try again later. Since error 520 is sometimes caused by a server-side issue, it may resolve itself once chess.com or Cloudflare stabilizes. You can also restart your browser, refresh your network connection, or try a different device just to narrow down the cause. So to recap, the main fixes are clear your site cookies, open a private window with Ctrl plus Shift plus N, toggle your VPN off and on, and try the mobile app using mobile data. These are the fastest and safest ways to troubleshoot chess.com error 520. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also help you with more chess.com errors and other website fix guides in the next video.